the 5 accused in Zubir Garg's case who were sent to judicial custody have been brought here in this newly opened jail of the Buxar district here, and you can see the 5 accused are being put in this newly opened jail. Now there are no inmates in this jail and they are going to be the first inmates here, but there are unprecedented scenes outside the jail complex here. You can see hundreds of Zubin Garg's fans have turned up here. They want to enter the jail, and that's why the security forces here are trying to push them. The people here are agitated. They are angry because of the fact that they want justice for their heartthrob Zubin Garg. You can see here women, men in large numbers have turned out here. The security forces trying to actually keep them away from the main gate of the jail. Massive security arrangement has been put in place here. These are exclusive visuals on NDTV network that we are bringing to you. This is the open, newly inaugurated district jail in Buxar, where you can see those vehicles which are parked there. On those vehicles, the 5 accused, including the main festival organizer Shamkanu Mahanta, Zubin Garg's manager Siddharth Sharma, Zubin Garg's cousin Sandipan Garg, and the 2 PSOs of Zubin Garg who were sent to judicial remand have been placed here. You can see here inside the jail as well, massive security there of armed police forces, and outside you can see the situation here. These people are Zubin Garg supporters who have turned out in large number. They want to enter the jail here. They are asking for justice. We'd like to speak to some of them and try to find out why these people are so agitated. आप लोग मुझे ये समझा के बताइए, आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं?
क्या चाहते हैं? जुबिंदा अकेला सब नहीं, पूरे देश का साथ है जुबिंदा, और उसको आज साथ कौन दे रहा है? अपराधी का साथ कौन दे रहा है? असम पुलिस उसको अंदर लेके हमको बाहर असम पुलिस है जुबिंदा हत्या करके फांसी दी पाओ।
और इसलिए वैसा है ना, ये सब सरकार का कूटनीति है, ये सब सरकार का कूटनीति है। इधर कोई भी कड़ी नहीं है, इसलिए यह हमें लाया है।
There you are, people are angry because what they feel that by sending these 5 accused to a jail which does not have any inmates, they are accusing the government of actually trying to protect these 5 accused. Remember, in the court as well, in fact the court had sent them to judicial custody, but there were concerns about the safety and security of the 5 accused, and therefore perhaps keeping the safety and security aspect in mind, they were not kept in the highly fortified Guwahati Central Jail, which otherwise have several high-profile prisoners. But what SIT sources are telling us that there were concerns given the fact that among the prisoners and under trials in Guwahati Central Jail, there would be fans of Zubin Garg who might harm them, and therefore they have been kept in this jail which does not have any other inmates. These people will be the only inmates staying here. But even here, you can see the local people protesting and saying that in a way, by keeping them in this jail which does not have any other inmates, the government, they allege, is trying to kind of protect this accused. There are high sentiments here. These are visuals on NDTV, exclusively on NDTV. There is massive protest happening at this moment. From Buxar district with camera person Nakul Rabha, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.